Hey guys, what's up? Another day, another vlog. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. What are you doing? Just please subscribe. It doesn't take anything. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming back and watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I just got out of work. It's storming out here. It's hailing, it's raining, it's pouring. I love it. I love to see it. My hair was cute. Now it's just a disaster. Okay, can you guys see the rain? I need to drop off some packages. I'm at the post office. Yes, the hoodies are already available on the website. They are limited edition, so if you don't grab it right now, it's not gonna be here until next fall, next winter. The link is in the description box for my business, which is thrispirefitness.com. I'm heading to the gym, and then after the gym we need to stop at Best Buy. So I'm thinking of getting another camera. I need to stop at Staples. Yeah, a lot to do in this rainy weather. A lot to do.
Billionaire Howard Schultz was visiting Starbucks stores all across America, meeting with coffee drinkers to find out how Starbucks could better satisfy customers. Here was a guy making his way across the country at 9 o'clock at night to get feedback from people buying his products.
Okay, so I am listening to another book, which is from Grant Cardone. So it's the 10X rule. You guys, he said,
join the club, figure out what it takes to get in the top.
Yes, exactly. Don't be a hater. Figure out a way to grind, to hustle harder and get to the top. Like, stop making fun of other people that have wealth and have success, and grind harder and get to where you want to be in life. Like, nothing comes easy. I say this in all my videos, and I feel like I say it more on my videos that are going viral right now, which is working 2 jobs and stuff. So like, grind harder because you can get to where you want to be regardless of the matter of the fact. Okay, I'm listening to this book, and then honestly I love it already. I need to get inside the gym because I need to get my workout in. I need to cut my workout short today. Hey guys, so I just got out of the gym, but I was going to Best Buy and Staples, but to be completely honest, the whole city is like, some stoplights are not working, there's a lot of trees on the ground, traffic is out of control, people do not know how to drive out here in the rain, and then like the sun is trying to come out, but then it's so dark. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit, but I just decided to just end this day right now because I'm just gonna go get something to eat and go home because it's just not meant for me to be out right now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just got out of work and it is freezing. The weather's still the same. Looks like it's gonna rain again. It was raining last night and this morning, but the rest of the day has been very windy and very cold. Obviously I'm still in the garage, but you guys can see how the day has been. Let's check the temperature because it's 52 degrees, but it feels like it's colder than that. That's crazy. I knew it. It says that it's 52 degrees, but it feels like it's 48. It is cold. So we're gonna head over to the gym. I'm gonna do a quick workout just because I have to hit up Best Buy. I might stop at Office Depot just because Office Depot is closer than Staples. Yeah, but whatever we didn't do yesterday, we need to do today. Well, I need to do today. Yesterday was a disaster. People were just driving crazy, and I was like, nope, that's my key sign to just go home, stay home, and don't leave until the next day. So that's exactly what I did. Hey guys, so I just got out of Office Max I got 2 pens from Sharpie. They were $1.99 a piece. I was like, I use pens all the time, so that's nice. And I also got shipping label. You guys saw that I was completely lost. Like, who goes to the paper section just because you think you would find what you need, but it wasn't not even where I thought it was. But I got some shipping label because I ran out. So Best Buy was a complete fail. I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home. Also, I have something to say real quick. You guys know that I love preaching to you guys and I love giving you guys knowledge and advice. Stay away from people that don't bring value into your life. Like, if you're around people that don't want to succeed and always want to see you down and always want to see you in a bad mood and a bad spirit, then those are the people that you need to take out of your life. And I know it's hard to do sometimes, but trust me, it's the best decision that you could ever do. Tasha's always by herself because I just can't deal with people. Like, if you have that type of energy, stay away from me. I don't need it. I don't want it. Bye. See you later. So I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so I was just finishing up a video that needs to go up. Yes, I do have my Christmas pajamas still. Like, I'm still gonna rock this thing, okay? I was gonna show you guys my vision board. I see this every time I wake up, so I love this so much. This is my first time doing this, and then I try to read everything, but I just look at it while I listen to affirmations and stuff. The things that I'm changing throughout my life, it has changed me in so many levels. Like, I listen to affirmations in the morning instead of like looking at my phone, looking at social media right away. Also, I've been so committed to my videos and uploading consistently that like it has become a habit. I've been interacting with you guys a little bit more, and I just been replying to each and every one of you. Yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna spend time with Aaliyah, watch some Barbies, Sophia, whatever Aaliyah wants, because it's Aaliyah's time. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, or after I get off work, because in the mornings it's too dark, too cold. I don't have time to talk, to be completely honest. I really don't. Hey guys, it's the next day. So I just got out of work, but I hate wearing black sometimes because the lint is everywhere in this hoodie. This was obviously not my hoodie. It was a, you know, men's hoodie. You know, you leave shit in my house, it's mine out, right? So the sun is shining today, but the wind is so cold. Like this morning, it was the coldest it has ever been. It was 30-something degrees, which is insane. So it's 59 degrees right now. Beautiful, beautiful weather. Today was an interesting day. Sometimes I come down to the conclusion that I do better by myself. It's cold in this car, oh my gosh. It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. I'm so excited about this workout because it's back and biceps day. I might throw in some like lunges just because I want to, because tomorrow's leg day, so I wanna get that pump, you know what I mean? I know you guys can't see me right now, it's kind of like dark, but I want to show you guys the moon because it's a full moon today. So I'm gonna show you guys. Beautiful. It looks like the sun, but it's the moon. Hey guys, wait, I need my, yes Aaliyah. What? Do you guys see her in the back? What? Interesting. My skin is not looking too great.
I can't see
for my lips, I do Vaseline. So this is the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Healing Jelly.
Yeah, it's small.
Uh-huh.
Mama, why is that for your lips?
So I don't wake up with chapped lips. Yeah.
Okay.
You want some? Okay, you guys, Aaliyah has her TV going on very, very loud, so we're just gonna say bye and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. I know my videos are all over the place, but you know, this is my day in my life. This is what I do every day, all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.